Hey, friends! Quick question. Has your couch been around so long that it's practically a member of your family? Or does your living room still rock that I just moved in and gave up vibe? Well, fear not. Because today we're diving headfirst into the hottest design trends for 2024 and 2025. And trust me, your home is about to glow up harder than your high school reunion pics. If you love fresh ideas, cozy vibes, and maybe a tiny dash of drama in your decor, not your life, stay tuned. Let's transform those spaces from meh to marvelous. Let's get into it. First up, color trends. Friends, say goodbye to cold, sterile grays and hello to warmth. We're talking terracotta, deep ochre, burnt sienna, soft, mossy greens, like Mother Nature is giving your walls a big, cozy hug. 2024 and 2025 is all about earthy colors that ground you and make your home feel like a retreat. Imagine curling up with a good book and feeling like you're inside a sunbeam. Bliss, right? Not ready to repaint? Start with pillows, throws, and vases. Small shifts, big impact. Remember when smooth walls were the ultimate flex? Well, 2025 said, hold my paintbrush. Textured walls are making a major comeback, people. Think lime wash, Roman clay, and even slightly imperfect plaster finishes. It's all about adding depth and character. Because let's be honest, life's not perfectly smooth, and neither should your walls be. Can't commit? Faux finish wallpapers are here to save the day. Drama without the drama. If eco-friendly still makes you picture rough burlap and sad bamboo furniture, think again. Sustainable design is sleeker than ever. 2024 and 2025 is all about gorgeous recycled woods, vintage statement pieces, and even organic paints. Good for the planet, chic for your space, win-win. Plus, buying second-hand or upcycled pieces means your home tells a story, not just I saw it on page 45 of a catalog. Straight lines? We're bending the rules, baby. Curves are absolutely dominating. Rounded sofas, archways, curvy mirrors, circular coffee tables. It's giving softness. It's giving luxury. It's giving I can relax here for 6 hours and binge Netflix without pulling a muscle. Add a curved vase, a round ottoman, or even a wavy lamp to get in on the trend without remodeling your house. Let's talk lighting, because in 2025 your ceiling better be doing something. Oversized sculptural eye-catching light fixtures are the jewelry of your home. Chandeliers that look like modern art, pendant lights that demand a double take. One big statement light can transform an entire room. Boom! Drama delivered. Not ready to rewire? Even swapping out a basic lamp for something quirky can light up your space, literally and emotionally. All right, real talk. Between remote work, side hustles, TikTok dancing, no judgment, and yoga, we need rooms that work as hard as we do. Designing multifunctional spaces is key. Think a dining room that moonlights as a Zoom room, a guest room that pulls triple duty as an art studio, and a meditation haven. 2025 says, small spaces, big potential. Folding desks, storage ottomans, sleeper sofas, invest smart, not hard. Minimalism isn't dead, but honey, maximalism is throwing a party and you're invited. But this isn't clutter for clutter's sake. It's curated, thoughtful, and personal. Layer colors, patterns, art, memories. Create spaces that feel uniquely you. Because your home isn't a museum, it's a love letter to everything you adore. Pick 2 to 3 colors to anchor your chaos. Organized chaos is still chic. Psst. The all-white kitchen is taking a nap for a while. Dark kitchens, think navy, forest green, even matte black, are here to make bold, beautiful statements. It's cozy, it's dramatic, It's the I cook and I'm mysterious energy we didn't know we needed. Scared to go full dark mode? Try just lower cabinets or a dark kitchen island first. Plants? Still in? Indoor gardens? Definitely in. Walls that look like jungles? Absolutely in. Biophilic design. Fancy word, easy vibe. It's all about bringing nature indoors. More plants, natural materials like rattan, jute, and untreated wood, and even water features. Imagine coming home and instantly feeling like you just exhaled a week's worth of stress. Yes, please. No green thumb? Start with easy babies like snake plants, pothos, or even some high-quality faux options. No judgment. And finally, vintage is gold. Vintage furniture, vintage art, vintage vibes. 2025 is embracing timeless pieces that carry soul, history, and a touch of nostalgia. And bonus? You get to brag about scoring that one-of-a-kind chair for $40 at a flea market while everyone else cries over shipping delays. Mix vintage with modern to keep it fresh. Grandma's side table plus a sleek modern lamp, iconic. There you have it, the hottest design trends for 2024-2025. Which one was your favorite? Are you ready to cozy up your walls, throw some plants in your bathroom, or finally swap out that sad light fixture? Let's chat in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. And hey, if you got inspired, or if you're just tired of your current couch giving you side-eye, hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a glow-up opportunity. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go make your home as fabulous as you are. See you in the next video. Bye!